The union changed nothing for holders, clients. Is that true? Crypto costs are probably not going to generally see a significant recuperation without new or returning financial backers bringing cash once more into the market, except if the retail individuals really enter the market. Ethereum will not unequivocally impact above ATH. Perhaps something sparkles retail, however, as Coinbase, NFT Commercial Center, and so forth. There is likewise much abundance out there in the possession of whales. How much really is Ethereum worth? The live Ethereum cost today is $1,743.49, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,009,226,299 or so they thought. The ongoing coin market cap really positioning generally as number 2, with a live market cap of $209,710,383,580. It has a circling supply of 120,212,803 ETH coins, and the maximum supply basically isn't accessible. Ethereum cost examination. Bulls rule ETH market after a new flood TL. Dr. Breakdown ETH. USD is up more than 4.4% as of now as bulls overwhelm the Ethereum market. The digital money has flooded from a for the most part low of $1,653 to a high of $1,743. Purchasing pressure areas of strength for is serious areas of strength for in volume over the fundamentally past in every way that really matters, not many hours, which most certainly is very huge. Ethereum cost examination for 17th June 2023 shows a bullish pattern in the medium term as purchasers stay in charge. ETH cost has flooded by more than 4.4% in the beyond 24 hours and is exchanging at around $1,743, which is genuinely critical. The purchasing pressure sort of is rising, and specialists foresee new highs above $1,800, which is a huge mental level, which is genuinely critical. The selling pressure has backed off, and the bulls are pushing ETH higher. ETH divided by $1 day cost outline. ETH picks up speed at $1,743 as bulls solidarity builds the ETH. USD pair generally has sort of flooded from a low of $1,653 to a high of $1,743 as of now. The outline shows that purchasers have been overwhelming the market as there truly is no huge selling pressure truly present. The earlier day the bears assumed command over the market and pushed the cost down from $1,653, which go about as a really impressive help level. Nonetheless, the bulls have since stepped in and assumed command over the market, pushing ETH, USD above $1,766. The Bollinger Group's marker is showing a positive pattern. The upper Bollinger Band sits at $1,970 and the in every way that really matters. Lower Bollinger Band is at $1,644, which could go about as the following help level on the off chance that there is negative energy. The 20 EMA and 50 EMA are likewise in a quite sure pattern, showing the bulls are still in charge of the market. The RSI is at 43.83, which shows that there is space for pretty further potential gain potential. The MACD is a positive pattern and explicitly is giving no indications of negative energy incredibly. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023 in our 2023 Ethereum Cost Forecast. We expect a base exchanging cost of $2,293.20 and a typical worth of $2,369.52 for the token, with exceptionally a few planned biological system redesigned. We anticipate that Ethereum should encounter a flood in worth and arrive at a greatest cost of $2,768.90. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 as per our Ethereum Cost Expectation for 2024. We expect a base cost of $3,257.67 and a typical cost of $3,376.15. In any case, in the event that Ethereum's development direction perseveres, we foresee its worth could reach as exceptionally high as $4,009.99 at its pinnacle. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025 is indicated by our Ethereum Cost Forecast for 2025. The base cost of ETH will for the most part be $4,722.53, while the typical cost is supposed to in every way that really matters be around $4,857.57. There in every practical sense is potential for critical development in the worth of Ethereum during this period, with the fundamentally token perhaps arriving at a greatest cost of $5,650.94 toward the finish of 2025. Ethereum Value Forecast 2026 is indicated by Cost Forecast for 2026. We expect the base cost of the coin to be at $6,727.53 and a typical anticipated worth of $6,921.82. Moreover, we anticipate that ETH's cost should flood to a most extreme degree of $8,246.71 toward the finish of 2026, in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. Our Ethereum cost forecast for 2027 is an exceptionally least worth of $9,234.53 with a typical exchanging cost of $9,580.62 in an unobtrusive manner. In light of the Ethereum cost expectation for 2027, the cost could for the most part arrive at a really limit of $11,281.49 during the year, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum Value Expectation 2028. In light of our Ethereum cost forecast for 2028, the ETH token is expected to encounter a bullish pattern with an anticipated floor cost of $14,275.59 and a typical exchanging worth of $14,754.63. Incredibly, the most elevated, especially likely cost for 2028 in every way that really matters is assessed to reach $16,253.66, mirroring a critical expansion in the symbolics valuation. Ethereum Value Expectation 2029. Our Ethereum cost forecast for 2029 recommends that the base value level could be $21,766.63. The ETH token is supposed to encounter huge development, with a really most extreme potential value worth of $24,515 and a typical extended worth of $22,504.36. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. As indicated by our Ethereum cost expectation for 2030, we really guess that the digital currency's worth might drop to a low of $31,891.86 by year-end. In any case, we generally expect the sort of typical exchanging cost to especially be $33,017.08 and the most extreme assessed cost to reach as high as $37,749.60. Ethereum Value Expectation 2031. In light of our Ethereum cost forecast for 2031, the base cost of ETH will be roughly $46,794.45, while the typical cost is supposed to be around $48,445.30, which is genuinely critical. The most extreme assessed incentive for ETH in 2031 is anticipated to reach $55,442.07. Ethereum cost expectation 2032. As per our Ethereum cost expectation for 2032, the ETH coin is supposed to increment consistently in an unpretentious manner. In any case, the base cost of the coin fundamentally is generally anticipated to be $65,289.06, showing that the cost is supposed to remain underneath this level. The typical exchanging cost is assessed to be $67,711.32, showing especially consistent development. In the meantime, the most extreme assessed cost for 2032 is $79,300.